Hi guys, this is me Sonakshi and welcome to my brand new channel. And this video is going to be a very short introductory video. And this is my new channel on YouTube. This is my first video on YouTube. And in my channel, you will be see a lots of makeup videos and clothes hacks and Meesho, Amazon, clothing hauls, and many more. So if you want to see my upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get a notification of my videos. And yeah, it's done. And yeah, follow me on Instagram and stay safe but stay negative, please. So bye guys.